So again, we are on the backend. I hope most of you have joined now. So let's go to backend. How to log into the backend? Just type in your website name. For example, we have http://bbIC.infinityfree.com, and after that put a / and wp hyphen login wp admin. Okay, once you type this, you will land onto this window. Okay, then just enter your username back again, what we set in the first class. So username and password we have already set in, so just log in. Click on login. So what we have done up till now, we have created this or changed this home page. All right, like this. We have already changed this. If you remember, we designed this page, this home page, okay, which is called as home 1. We have kept the name of this home page as home 1. From now onwards, this will be your home page. Okay, so you have created this banner. I told you how to create the banner. From you can take the pictures, images of the banner from the Pixabay, or maybe pixels.com, or maybe any other free pictures providing website. You can just type in free images and then you will get the images. Then you have seen how we put in or how we designed this shadow effect. Okay, then we have seen how to insert this text. Then we have designed this about BBIC section. Okay, up till here we have already done the work. Now let's see how to make the next section, that is the blog section. All right, so let me open the website back again, the reference website which we were designing, which we had kept as a base. So this is the website which we were taking references from. All right, so this is the this thing, banner, and this is your text that up till here we have done. Then now we have to design this recent blogs. Okay, recent blogs. So how to design this recent blogs, I'll tell you. Okay, and after that there was one column about the blogger, so we have already made this in by the name of about BBIC. Okay, like this, about BBIC. This section we have already made. So after we make the recent blog section, that means this section, only it is only after that we can make this section you may have missed. All right, so let's get started and see. Now let me tell you which plugin I installed for showing these recent blogs. Okay, let me show you. Let me log in back to this website, the backend. So let me log in. Okay, let's go to plugins and installed plugins. Okay, so in this section we have some plugins called Elementor that we have already downloaded, installed. Now post view counter, that is a separate thing. Starter template, post grid and WP form slide. So we have to, for showing the blogs, we have to download this. We have to install this plugin called the post grid. All right, let's download it. So go to, now I am in our own dashboard, that is BBIC. You can check out over here on the top and go to your dashboard, come down to plugins, and here just add plugin. Click on add plugin. Under add plugins, find out the post. Let's type few words and then you will find the correct plugin. So here it is, the post grid. Okay, this one. So you have to install this. Click on install. Now it is installed and now activate it. From here itself, you have to click on activate. All right. Okay. So we have done this and you can see that your post grid plugin is, you can see over here. Okay. Now, what do you have to do? Go to your pages and all pages and find out the page that you want to edit or where you want to put your blogs. So we want to put the blogs on our home page first of all. So find out the home page, and this is the home page, and click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so here we are, and I want to put a new section called this thing. Here before this, you may have missed, I want to add a new section. First of all, let me click here, then flexbox, and then one more flexbox. Okay, and then click on, let me remove it from here. Now click on this plus button and then choose heading. Okay, heading, because I want to put a heading of recent blogs. Okay, so from the left hand side, remove all the text and write down recent blogs. All right, so after recent blogs, I want to change the color because the color of heading everywhere is black, so I want to keep it in black. Okay, go to styles. Okay, for changing the color and size of text and font of text, go to styles and then go to, first of all, typography, and then choose the font family as Poppins, because you have to keep the headings as same. Okay, same font, same size under all the headings, like this and this. These should be of the same size. Okay, if you are not sure what size did we take for this one, so you can always click on this button. Okay, and go to its style section and go to its typography section, and then you will come to know what this size is. First of all, font family is Poppins, then font size is by default, and font weight is 600. All right, so go to recent blogs, this section, click on this plus button, this pencil button, style section, then again typography, font family should be Poppins, size should be by default, and weight should be 600. Okay, and now we have to change the color. So just click on this. You can see here from you. Let me tell you once again. Here we are on the style section. Okay, these are the things. We have changed the font family and font size if you want. So this is typography, and then we want to change the color of the font. So just click on this this square box where blue is written. Blue indicates that your font is currently in the blue color, but I want to make it in black color. So just click on it, and this color palette will open in front of you. Now I want to keep a black color, so you can see where the black color is. So you can drag it down to the bottom left corner in order to get the jet black color. Okay, so here it is, and these are the color codes. So black color, the color code of black is 6 times 0. Okay, so when you type hashtag 6 times 0, it will give you black color. If you type hashtag 6 times F, then you will get white color. Okay, let me tell you. 6 times F, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you will get, see here, your text has got converted into white color, because background is also white and your text is also white, so you are unable to see it. Okay, let me convert it back to black color. So extreme left corners are black and white, just mind that. Bottom, extreme left bottom is black, extreme left right left is your white color. So we have set this color as black. Okay, now I want to make another column, another section, in order to show the recent blogs, like this, like this. I want to show it like this. Okay, so just click on this plus button again. After you have done this recent blogs, then you have to click on this plus button again. Plus button, let me, plus button, then okay, again plus button, flex box, and then this button. Okay, now click on this plus button again, and from this choose grid layout, or you can choose post grid layout. Maybe how you want to show the this thing, how you want to show your post or your blogs. Do you want to show it in a vertical format like this, one after the other? Okay, or you want to show it like this, in this manner? Okay, it is your choice. If you choose this, all the post will be in the vertical format, one after the other, one after the other, like this. Okay, vertically. But if you choose some other layout like this, then your post will appear like this. Got it? So there are many layouts. Layouts means how you want to show your posts. Okay, so these are the layouts. So let's choose the okay, let's choose the middle one, second layout. Okay, like this. Section title, let's not let's delete it. Okay, how have I done it? Okay, let's do it again. After recent blogs, just click on this plus button, and after plus button, you have to choose the grid layout. Okay, grid layout, like this. When you choose this grid layout, you will get some options on the left hand side, which type of grid layout you want to show or you want to choose. This one, or this one. This means whether you want to show 3 posts in one row only, or you want to show 6 posts. So let me choose like this, 6 posts. Okay, so it will appear like this. Okay, we'll edit it, don't worry. And then columns. Columns means how many columns do you want to show here. Okay, so I want 3 columns to be shown, so 3 columns will appear. Okay, one is already there, then next 2 will appear as and when we write the posts. Okay, text alignment. Text alignment means how you want to align the text. So I want to align the text to left. Okay, which is by default also it is left aligned. Now primary color. What primary color you want to keep in the text? I want to keep slightly black. Okay, like this. So I have chosen this type of black color. That is it. Okay, but now this is not looking fine. Recent blocks is okay, but nothing is appearing like this. Okay, so to appear things like this, or to appear the blogs like this, we want to make some blogs. Okay, let's make some blogs. Let me tell you how to create a blog. Okay, so go back. Oh, sorry, for just for now, let me save it. Let me save as draft. I'm not publishing it. I'm just click on the left button here, or sorry, right button, and there you will find some options: view page, save as draft, and save as template. So I am just saving it as draft. Okay, so now go back, and after going back, you will find now you don't have to create pages. Instead, you have to create posts. Okay, blogs are nothing but posts. So when you see any blog, or when you see any article, it is nothing but a post. So let's design a post. So go to posts and click on add post. All right. So now here I want to write a post, okay, about some politics. So let me take a post which is already created, and let me open and see if I have some post. 24, 23. Let me open this. Messing up, or maybe some other. 24. Okay, this one looks fine. Let me see if we can copy this. Just a minute. I'll take it from somewhere else. Let me find out that blog. Okay, so this is the blog. Let me open it up. All right, and let's copy this. Okay, let me copy. Till here, I am copying it. Okay, just copy it and paste it in your this thing. Edit with Elementor. Write the title. Okay. I'll change the name later on. Or let's see what the name is. What is the name of this post? We need to know more. Okay, so let's change the name. Okay, so let's set the featured image. See, on the right hand side there is an option called set featured image. So I am just clicking on it. Okay, and I'm taking this image. Okay, click on set featured image. On the right hand side you have set featured image, so just click on it. And now you have to add an excerpts. Excerpts means just the small snapshot. What do I mean by this? This small snapshot which you get before reading the whole blog, that is called as excerpts. All right. So what to write inside it? You have to see. First of all, we have inserted the image, featured image. Featured image means the image that will appear on the front of the blog. Okay. And then you have to write the excerpts. Now, excerpts are also there. This blogger gave us the excerpts So see here at the bottom, he has given us the excerpt section. So see, excerpts. So let's copy it down, copy, and then let's paste it inside this box. Okay, excerpt section. All right. So now just publish it for now, publish it. So now again, I am going to edit this post. So this is your title. This is the title, and you are unable to see the image on the face of the page, but you can see it on the left right hand side. Okay, later on I'll tell you where you can find this image. Okay, for now just click on edit with Elementor. As I told you earlier also, Elementor is a page builder which helps you design a page beautifully. Okay, so we are now, see here, this page, this image has automatically inserted into the page. Got it? Now we have to add the text. So click on this plus button, click on this flex box, and then again you have to click on this or this, any one of them. So for now I'm just clicking on this. Now click on plus button, and then now choose text editor. So type in to find. If you can find from the scroll down, then that's good. And if you can't find, if you can't see, then you can always type in text editor. You will find the text editor. So let me see if I can find the text editor. So here it is, text editor. So just drag it or just click on it. So this text editor will be inserted. Okay. Now I want to remove this dummy text. So just click on this dummy text and remove everything. And now I want to insert the actual text of this blog. Okay. So what will I do? I'll just copy the whole text from here, copy, 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 copy. That's it. Before, until excerpts, you have to copy. Control C, copy, and come back here. And on the left hand side, there is a box. Just Control V, and the text will be pasted over here. Okay. But the color is looking quite dull. So let's change the color. Okay. Again, if you want to change the color or the size or the font family, you have to always go to the style section. Go to style section. Alignment, first of all, alignment. I want to align the whole text as left aligned. Okay. Then I want the typography. Typography is Roboto. It is looking fine, no problem with it. But I just want to change the color. All right, color of the font. So let's do it. So if you somewhere, then always click on this this pencil button. You will again come back into this section. Okay. Whenever you are lost somewhere, don't worry that where has everything gone. So just click on this plus button. Everything will come back over here. This screen will come back. What you are doing, you are editing the text. And how do you know that only the text is being edited? You can see on the top, edit text editor. So this is the you now you know that you are editing the right section. All right. So here we are, text text color. So just click on it and choose your desired color. If you want it to be in not in jet black but somewhat lighter than the main heading, okay, so you can move the scroll this round circle button where in at the text color whichever you want. Okay, obviously we don't want the red color. Okay, we want something black only but lighter than the main heading. So let's, I think this is looking fine. So this is fine. Now you can see that the whole text has been written. Okay, now once you are satisfied with everything, then you can publish it. Now one thing is left is uncategorized. So see here, uh, it is uncategorized. Uncategorized means that you haven't categorized it into a specific category. Okay, so how to do that, I'll tell you in just a while. But before that, just look at this post, that everything looks fine. If you think that everything looks fine, then you have to just click on the publish button. Okay, so this is published, and now I'll show you how this will appear on your screen. On if anybody logs into your website, how will it appear? Okay, so just refresh this page back again. All right, all right, so you can't see it here. Okay, you can't find it over here. You made a post but you can't find it over here. Why? The reason is that we have not set the category. All right, so let's do it. Let me tell you how to set the category. So category means under which category does this post falls. For example, it is written uncategorized. Okay, because we haven't categorized it, whether it is sports, whether this post is on sports, or it is on politics, or it is on entertainment, or is it on science and technology. So we haven't categorized it. That is why it is by default showing uncategorized. Okay, let's go back and set the category for this particular post. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so here we are. First of all, on the post page, these are the posts. Okay, all these are the posts. So let's remove these unnecessary posts. Tick mark them and then bulk select them, bulk action, move to trash, apply. Okay, now next thing is that we want to set the categories. Go to categories and name the category. So for example, politics. Okay. Politics, parent category. Parent category means the main category. So first of all, let's make it a category. Or let's politics. Okay, and just click on add category. All right, so this is one category that you have made, politics. So whatever categories you keep making, it will keep appearing over here. Okay, and this uncategorized is by default, and you cannot delete it also. Okay, so this is politics. Now again, go back to the post that you created just now, this post. Okay, this is the post that you created. So here, who is the author? Author is admin BBIC. Now I want to edit this. So click on quick edit. Quick edit. So here you will find here categories. Okay, categories. So under which category you want to place this blog as? I want to place this blog under the category of politics. So uncheck this under uncategorized and tick mark this politics and update it. That's it. Okay, now see, the category has changed to politics. Got it? Let's see if anything has come up or not. If not, then we'll again edit it. So still there is nothing that we can see. Although at the bottom we can see the category and then politics. So let's click on this and we can find our blog. See, there is an image, there is a title, and from now uncategorized has changed to politics. Okay, and this was the blog that we wrote. Got it? Like this. Now recent blogs, under recent blogs you can again see that we have written this blog, so it is under recent post or recent blogs, only this blog is appearing, right? Now from the category also, if you choose, because these are the this is the main page and this is politics, if you click on it, you will find this blog. Okay, like this. So if you want to read more on this blog, this is minded that this is the excerpts that we wrote, the small introductory section that we wrote. Okay, let me show you where we did this one. In Hindi there is like that, and till misunderstood. So you can see exactly it is in Hindi there is a term and till misunderstood. So this means this is the excerpts that we have that is there. Before reading out the whole article, if you want to read out, if you want to know what this article is all about, then you can read these excerpts. And now if you are satisfied, then you want to read the whole article, then just click on this main title or maybe politics. You will get into the detail of this article. So see here, politics, image, then politics, then we need to know more, and like this, date on which this was written. So it is today's date, and then admin, who has written it. You can also change the name of the author, right? And then edit. Then this is the article that we wrote. See, from top to bottom. Now, if anybody wants to put any comments on this blog, okay, if you are a reader and if you want to leave any comments, you can always log in, or maybe without login, you can write your comments. Nice blog. Okay, and just post the comment. Okay, so see here, who has given this comment? Admin BBIC has given this comment, and they are saying nice blog. So each and every comment that the user gives, see, one comment, whatever comments users are giving, they will come under this. Just like you must have seen YouTube, under YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, there are a lot of comment section. Okay, there is a comment section where there are a lot of comments that people keep giving. So this is that section only. Okay, and you can decide, because there are people who might give good comments or bad comments, or they may use foul language or bad words, and you want to decide whether this comments should be shown to the journal people or not. Okay, then you can always choose that. So let me tell you how. So here is the comment section. See, comments. Click on this comment. Whatever comments you have received up till now, that comments will appear over here. For example, admin BBIC has given a comment which is from the email ID is there, the website name is also there, and their comment is that their comment is on the blog, on which blog they have sent their comment is, we need to know more. And then what comment they have said, they have given their comments as nice blog. So now it is up to you whether, if you think that this is a good comment, or this is a comment that can be displayed to the journal public, then you can approve it, or you can unapprove it. By default it will be approved, but if you think that this should not, this is not a good comment, or this person has used bad language, then you can unapprove this comment. So by unapproving or by trashing, this comment will not be will this comment will not appear on the face of the website. That means people, journal people, will not be able to see this comment. All right, this is what is good about this. So for example, let me click on it and unapprove it. Okay, so I have unapproved it. So this means that this means that this comment will not, sorry, this comment will not appear on the main website, or you can simply delete it. Okay, your comments is waiting moderation. Okay, so if you can also spam it. If it is a spam comment, then you can spam it. You can also trash it. So trashing means deleting it. So now nothing will be apparent over there. So let me refresh the page again and see, this comment has gone. All right, so like this you can put a comment. Now let's try. We have put one blog. I want to put another blog. So let's create another blog. So go back to the posts again and add a post. But before adding the post, let me create the categories. So let's see what categories do we have: politics, entertainment, sports, and religious. Okay, so let me create a new category of sports. Okay, because I have a blog on sports. So let's go to posts and go to categories, click on it, and then add a new category. Write name sports. Parent category none, and then just save it. Add category. So this will appear over here. You can see. All right. Now go back to all post, or you can click on add post. Okay. Click on add post. give a new heading. Let me see. Blog number 22. Okay, so this is the blog. And now I want to change the name first of all. Okay, what is the name of the blog? So let me copy and paste it here. Okay, this is the title. Now um, just edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is the title that we have already made. Then add this flex box. Take one flex box again. Take this structure and then click on this thing, plus button, and then choose text editor. Okay, so you will just slightly scroll down and you will find it yourself. So see here, text editor. So just click on it, you will find it. Delete everything and then paste it. Oh, sorry, this is the title. Let me copy the whole blog first of all. Okay, okay, let's copy it and then paste it. Okay, I have pasted it. Now let me see if I can edit this uncategorized. Okay, no problem. So this is done. Okay, now let me save to draft first of all. Also, if you want to see how it will appear on your mobile phone, then you can always see these are the three devices that are displayed. You can check out the 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 layout of your blog on tablet mode and also on the mobile phone. Let's check out on the mobile phone, because most of the people read the blogs or anything on their mobile phones only these days. Okay, so this is how it will appear. For now it is showing uncategorized, but we'll change it in just a while. And then this is the title. Okay, if you think that the under mobile version title is looking too big, you can always change the size of the title. And this is the text that we have written. Okay, like this, like this. So this is a long blog, and at the end of it there is a comment section, right? So, and if you click on this arrow button, you will go to the top of the page. So see, you are on the top of the page. Okay, now once you are satisfied, then you can always publish it. Okay, now slightly go back. And then on this page, on this page, just set a featured image. Okay, set the featured image. So let me copy this image. So this is the image. Let me copy. I have copied this image, and okay, I have this image in my laptop. So let me select it from there. Images, and where is that sports image? Okay, so here it is. Let me select this image. So I have selected the image, and then just select set as featured image. Click on set as featured image. So this image will be featured image. And after that, you have add and excerpts. So click on it, and then you have to write the excerpts. As I told you earlier also, excerpts means small introduction or small summary of the whole blog. So just click on it, add Control C, and come here, Control V. So this excerpts will be added over here. After that, nothing you have to do, just save it. That's it. Now let's go back again. First of all, to this is our front end of the website, and let's go to the home page 1. Okay, and see if this blog has appeared or not. So here it is still not there. Okay, so I'll tell you why. So again, go back to your editing mode, the backend, and go back to your dashboard. Okay, go to all posts. These are you are under post section only. So under the post that you have just created, just click on quick edit. Okay, and choose the category as sports, and uncheck this category uncategorized. Okay, now just update it. Got it? Now you can see that the category has changed to sports. And now if I again go back to the home page and check out the sports category, you will find that blog. Let me refresh this page again. What is the problem? Sports. See, you can see here the category has already been added. This image has been added. You can see sports has been added. These title has been added, edited, added, then date, then who has written this article, that name will appear over here, and the whole article is there. Okay, you can see. And if anybody wants to um, post a comment, then they can post a comment also. Okay, you can leave a comment over here at the bottom. And if you want to read out any previous article, that this blogger has posted, then you can always read out. See, this is a snapshot given previous post. So you can go back to the previous post and read it out. Moreover, you can always also read out these recent posts. Okay. So there are two posts. You can see here, this one we have just added, and this one we added before. Okay. Let me check back once again if the category has been updated or not. It may take some time, although, but it usually gets updated instantly. Okay. So it has been added to why politics. Okay. So there are two categories, politics and sports. So you can see there is an animation also which is added. So you can see here also, in this also we have added an animation. That means the image will slightly zoom in, okay, on hovering over it. So in the similar manner, although this I don't know why, we have to check out something, why this is appearing under the politics category. Okay, this should appear under the sports category. Okay, never mind. I'll just correct it and let you know. Okay, I'll check it out where the problem is. I don't want to waste your time. So today, what we have learned is how to create a blog. Okay, so for that, we have first of all added a new plugin called Post Grid. Okay, after installing the Post Grid, the purpose of Post Grid is that you are able to write the post properly. So after installing the plugin called Post Grid, then you are able to write these posts. Okay. So after this, you have to go to your dashboard. After installing the plugin, you have to go back to your dashboard. From dashboard, blogs are always created from post section. Okay. And under post section, you have to first create the categories. Before creating the post or adding a new post, you have to create new categories. So click on categories. Okay. And then you have to add new categories over here. You have to create these categories. So we have created a category. um, uh, let me create a category like this. Parent category is none, and let me add it as a category. And let me edit this politics also. Quick edit, and let's edit this, and let me put it under the category section. Okay, and update it. I have put the politics under category because in our page, under category only these things are appearing. All right. So again, let's go back and see the categories. See all the categories. And again, change this sports category. Okay. Name is sports, and under parent category means the main category. So main category is category. Okay. Then update it. Okay. Now let's now check. And one more adjustments we have to make. Okay, still not, it is not appearing over here. No problem. I'll tell you where the problem is. So for now, you just understand how these things are appearing. So uh, two categories have been created, politics and sports, right? So now today, in today's class, we have learned how to create category, and you have to create posts. So before creating a post, you have to create a category. After creating categories, you have to write a post. Just click on add post, and you will be taken to a new page to write a post. So just give a title to the post, what you want to write, and then start writing. Or you can click on, first of all, edit with Elementor. When you click on edit with Elementor, then you will be uh, uh, redirected to this page, designing page. And from here, you can design the page according to yourself, whatever you want to make changes in the page, in the blog. So I hope it is clear up till here. Do you have any questions to ask? Okay, thank you. Okay, Adarsha. Anybody else? Thank you. Am I able to make you understand concepts clearly? Okay.